Hi guys, this is Anwar and today in this session we will discuss about how to install turbocpp in our system and how to use turbocpp to write C program. So let's start how to install turbocpp. First of all, open your browser, and so now our browser is opened. Here we will write turbocpp download and enters, and now we will show some result and click on there. We will go down and click on download turbocpp. It will take some time, and now we will save it, and now our zip file is downloading. We will click on it after download, and we will click on it, and we will click on setup.exe, and now our installation is started. Then we will click here and we will click next. Now we will click on next, install, and now we'll click here at yes, and now our turbocpp is successfully installed, and we will click on finish. Now our turbocpp is opened. We will click on start, and here our turbocpp open. Here we will start to write our program. Now we will write implement this is program basic every program start from enter. Now we will solve it, and this is another program program. We will write hello world and close the close and close. Now we will use semicolon. So guys, our turbocpp is ready, and we can write our program here. First is new. We can click on it, and there is new file will be open. Next is open. We can use F3 to open our directory. Next one is save. We can use F2 to save our program. We can use save all option to save all program, and we can use alert plus X to quit or close turbocpp. Next is undo. So we can use alert plus backspace to undo a process, and we can use shift plus alert plus backspace to redo a process. Next is shift plus del. We can use shift plus del to cut a program, and we can use control plus insert to copy a program. We can use shift plus insert to paste a program. We can use control plus del to clear computer screen. Next one is run. We can use control plus F9 to run our program, and we can use alert plus F9 to compile our program. So guys, I hope you will properly understand how to install turbocpp and how to use turbocpp. So guys, if you have an issue related to installation of turbocpp, you can leave a comment in our comment box. We will give you support as soon as possible.